Hello. In this video, we're going to be talking about Zoho Books and its connection with Zoho Inventory, as well as how to work with composite items in Zoho Books. So I have here on the screen is a brand new Zoho Books organization. And then in the next tab over, I have Zoho Inventory, right? As you can see, it's Ether Test Company for both of these. So it's the same company. Now, automatically Zoho links these two softwares, right? So let's say in one of these, we look at our items, if we're in Zoho Books, and there's this cat carrier right here. It's like an aircraft carrier, but for cats. Now, if I go into Zoho Inventory, there should be the same thing, cat carrier right here. It's like an aircraft carrier, but for cats. So it automatically syncs the products. It automatically syncs the customers, your POs, your sales orders, your invoices, your payments, et cetera, et cetera. There's one big difference for most complex businesses, warehouses, some types of construction. In Zoho Books, they don't have the ability to track composite items. So let's say you sell a CD, but the CD is composed of like the album arts and then the flaps and then also the CD. And so there's actually three parts to that one CD, and you need to track that inventory separately. Books doesn't have the ability to do that. That is a feature in inventory. Unfortunately, it's not out of the box with inventory, or it is out of the box, but anyways. So we're going to start out, we're going to add this feature. If we go to settings, and we go to preferences, we go to items, there is enable composite items. So this is the first thing we want to do, and let's click save. So now if I go to inventory, you'll see that there are composite items, right? This is helpful if you're tracking inventory levels, but from a bookkeeping standpoint, if you're looking at books, it's not entirely helpful when you're trying to match a PO. You place a PO for a certain composite item against a bill of lading, let's say. So you've got shipped a bunch of items and you're just trying to track, did we receive all the stuff? Can I pay the vendor? So